Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung B2710 Solid. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter menu and go to settings. Enter display, and right here we've got all display settings. For example, we can change wallpaper, phone theme, enable smart home, change font style, and size. Also we can change dialing display, size and color. Then we can change brightness level of the display, screen timeout, transition effect, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.